Walang mahalaga sa syudad man o probinsya, aming tututukan. Walang hindi, walang kulang. Umaga, hapon at gabi, impormasyon sa iyo'y inahatid kabahagi. Kung ikaw ay Pilipino, ito ang radyo mo, RPMG. RPMG, Radyo Pilipino Media Group. Kabahagi mo, radyo ng Pilipino. Radyo ng Pilipino, RPMG.
Good evening. We now end another day of broadcasting activity. This is DVYM 1539 of the Radio Filipino Media Group, a commercial radio station owned and operated by Philippine Radio Corporation, as authorized by the National Telecommunications Commission with license number ESD-0255-2023, valid until December 31, 2026. DVYM 1539 Radio Filipino Studios and transmitter are located at Barangay Pag-asa, San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. DVYM 1539 Radio Filipino operates daily on 1539 kilohertz in the AM band with a power of 5,000 watts. This station is under the supervision of RPMG Networks Engineering, headed by Engineer Clessy David Vigalapo, electronic engineer with license number 0073809. Its operation and maintenance are carried out by the following first-class radio telephone operators duly licensed by the National Telecommunications Commission. Alexander D. Villanueva, 96-1PIV-17342. Junex Galamay, 19-1PNCR-26888. This is DVYM 1539 Radio Filipino, a proud member of the KBP, Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas, and a proud member of RPMG, Radio Filipino Media Group, ang radyo ng Pilipino. DVYM 1539 Radio Filipino is now signing off.
Pinagkasinangalan, anak ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, dulan ka lang magiging, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiin, sa dagat at bundok, sa simula, sa langit kong bahaw, may dinagang tula at angsa, paglalang minamahal, ang tisak ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagdiling, ang bituin at araw na kailan pa may magdiling, lupa ng araw.